Is your phone having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi networks or Bluetooth devices? If you often encounter such situations, there's a simple solution. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on your device. This option is useful for quickly solving connection issues and restoring all settings to their factory defaults. Follow the steps to the end to ensure smooth connectivity to networks and devices. Let's get started. First, find the settings on your phone and open it. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and look for the option called General Management, and when you find it, tap to open it. Once you've opened General Management, you'll see several options. Scroll down, find the option Reset, and tap it. After opening the Reset menu, scroll down and look for the option Reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Settings, and tap it. Then, tap the Reset Settings button at the bottom of the screen. After doing so, the device will reset all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings to factory defaults. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect your device to Wi-Fi networks and repair your Bluetooth devices. And that's all, friends, when it comes to resetting Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. I hope you successfully completed the process. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.